You eating some pine trees? What do you got there? You're eating a stick. I don't think I've ever seen a rabbit eat pine trees, but maybe you're eating the cottonwood? I just don't understand. There's carrots and lettuce, but you're eating a tree that fell to the ground. This is just very strange and odd. I don't think I've ever seen that. But you don't even look like the same rabbit. Your nose is like dark. And you're much bigger. Let's see if we can zoom in on you more. That's as far as I can go. What are you eating? It's definitely a stick. Oh, you're gone.